In this video, I will guide you through the check payment process, step by step. Learn how to manage, issue, and process check payments efficiently, ensuring accuracy and compliance. First, select the PMS module, then click on Payments. Start by selecting the vendor. Then choose the posting date and document date. Select the payment mode. Enter the reference number, and then specify the from bank details. Then select the dimensions. Choose the due balance, then proceed to check payment. Enter the check number, account number, bank name, branch, due date, and the amount. Then click on Add Payment. After adding the payment, the check will be in waiting status. When you receive a message from your bank confirming that the check amount has been credited, go to the FIN module, navigate to Inquiry and select Vendor Check Inquiry. Select the waiting status, choose the vendor, set the date, and click View Report to check the check status. Once confirmed, click on Paid in the Actions menu. A dialog box will appear asking if you want to change the status to paid. Click Yes to complete the process. And that's it. Your check payment process is now complete. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage and track your check payments without any hassle.